Hello my dear children, hope you must be doing well. Today in this video we are going to study chapter 3, Beautiful Beaches of India. Match these famous beaches in India with the places where they are located. They have given the name of some beaches and the places we have to match them. So children, you have to learn all the names of the beaches along with the places they are located. Question they can also give you, name some beautiful beaches of India. Number 1 is Marina. It is in Chennai. Fort Kochi. It is in Kochi. Marine Drive, Mumbai. Kovalam, Kerala. Palolem, Goa. Puri, Odisha. Malpe, Kerala. Alibag, Maharashtra. Gokarna, Karnataka. Gopalpur, Odisha. Diga, West Bengal. Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Did you know the Marina is the longest beach in India? So you can write the question, which is the longest beach in India? Value-based knowledge. We should not throw litter here and there on beaches. We must keep them neat and clean. It is our moral duty. It's our responsibility not to make our beaches dirty. We should keep them neat and clean. Chapter 4, Famous Religious Places. Children, you know India is a large country. The people living in India follow different kinds of religions and live with peace and harmony. They show regard for each other's religion. Since it is a very large country and there are people that follow different religion, but everybody show regard towards others' religion. Question you can write, name the religious places in India. Now look at the pictures, read the description and write the names of these religious places. Pictures are given, description is given, we have to write the name of the religious places. Number 1, major pilgrimage site for the followers of Sikh religion situated in Amritsar, Golden Temple. Number 2, one of the 4 major pilgrim sites for Hindus situated in the Himalayan state of Uttarakhand. Answer is Badrinath Temple. Number 3, Dargah of famous Sufi Sant Khwaja Muhyiddin Chishti situated in Rajasthan, Ajmer Sharif. Number 4, this temple is situated atop a hill in Andhra Pradesh and is the most significant religious site for the Hindus of South India, Tirupati Balaji. Number 5, dedicated to a Hindu goddess, this cave temple is situated in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Answer is Vaishno Devi Temple. Number 6, this temple in Gujarat was plundered and destroyed by Muhammad of Ghazni, Somnath Temple. Number 7, this famous church is situated in the state of Goa, Saint Xavier's Cathedral. 8, this temple is situated in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh and is dedicated to Lord Shiva or Lord Vishwanath. Answer is Kashi Vishwanath Temple. Value-based knowledge. When you go to any religious place or any crowded place, don't go away from your parents. So children, when you go to any religious place or any crowded place or any other place, always remain with the parents. Alright. My dear children, you revise these 2 chapters and note down in your book neatly. Do practice, do revision. May God bless you all. Thank you.